Welcome back to Cryptogains for another video. I hope you're well. Bringing you another crypto basics, simple steps for beginners. If it sounds interesting, drop the like. Have you been watching this? I've been trying to show you simple steps in how to invest in crypto. Showing you all the basic steps that you need. I'm trying to keep it really simple. So in the last videos, I've spoken about CoinGecko. Fogging my throat, sorry. CoinMarketCap, which is similar. You can choose which one you want to use. I've been using CoinGecko for the examples in this video. I've been showing you, how to buy, what to look for. I spoke about gaming. I spoke about AI coins. I even showed you an AI coin in the last video called Neural AI. In this video, I want to talk about actually how to buy this, because this one is on a different type of exchange. Remember, if you haven't seen it and you're new, highly recommend you go back to the first video, because there's a lot of people coming in want to know how to buy coins. Now I'm going to show you how you can buy Neural AI on a decentralized exchange. We have many types of exchanges. First of all, remember when I told you, when you see a coin, you can come down, look at the website, look at the Twitter. If you want to know where to buy it, you click on the markets tab. It shows you where you can buy it. Now you may come across coins that look just like this and it says Uniswap. And you're thinking, well, how do I buy on Uniswap? Where do I go? You're going to need to understand a few things before you buy on Uniswap, and I'm going to try and make it very simple for you, okay? First things first, you should at this point have gone on to KuCoin, joined up to KuCoin. Now, by the way, KuCoin is an exchange. This is a centralized exchange, which means higher powers, I like to call them higher powers, whoever owns this, controls it. So if for any reason they want to block you, they can. If they want to stop you spending your money, they can. They control it. If for some reason they want to freeze your account, you can't do nothing. They control it. Uniswap, however, no one controls it, essentially. You had people that built the actual protocol, the actual decentralized exchange. This is just like KuCoin, right? It might look different, but it's just like KuCoin. It's an exchange where you can change your crypto or your money into another coin. You need to download a wallet called MetaMask. If you're new, you haven't got one, you can download it on iOS, your Android, or if you're on your laptop, you can download it through the Chrome. Once you've downloaded it, you'll have to set it up. It will ask you to fill out the basic steps, and then do your 12, it will give you like a 12-word seed phrase. Please don't take photos of it. Don't send it to your email, nothing like that, because your email can be hacked. Someone could be, hacking your phone, and then they could steal all your cryptocurrency. If you're going to do this without a Ledger Nano, remember I said to you before, grab a Ledger Nano, right? And I highly recommend you use this with a Ledger Nano because it's going to protect you even more. But if you're going to use it without, make sure you protect your seed phrase. Don't let no one know. Once you've set it up, it will look like this. And then you'll have here where it says account. You will then be able to copy this address. Before I go any further into this, if you do have a Ledger Nano and you want to connect your Ledger Nano to MetaMask, because you can do, so you start using your Ledger, you can click on where it says account. You can come down to the bottom and say add account or hardware wallet, and then you can say where is it, add hardware wallet, and then you can choose the hardware wallet you want to add. Yours would be the Ledger, unless you bought yourself a Trezor or something else. You click on add your Ledger, say continue down here, follow the steps. After you've done all that, you should then have your Ledger Nano connected, and then you should be able to then use your wallet address that's shown on the Ledger. Just real quick, you may have a thing called Ledger Live, which it will introduce you to when you're setting up your Ledger Nano. You can download the Ethereum app on Ledger Live. Make sure you go onto Ledger Live and install the Ethereum app on your Ledger Nano, so then it can be seen over here, right? Once you've done that, you'll have an address just like this on your Ledger. It'll be a unique address for your Ledger Nano. You can copy it. Well, actually, you don't need to copy it, but because usually when you're sending to and from exchanges, then you need to do that. So actually, no, yeah. In this example, I will show you if you wanted to put some money on your Ledger, because you might not have any Ethereum, any Tether, whatever it is, you might not have anything on there. You need to send some money to it. So what we do is we copy the address, and then we go over to somewhere like KuCoin, where we buy the Tether or we buy Ethereum. With MetaMask, you're going to need to use Ethereum as a gas fee. Every time you make transactions to and from, there's a gas fee. Yeah. So we need to use Ethereum as a gas fee. So maybe I don't know. It can be pricey sometimes on Ethereum, but we're talking about this because we want to buy Neural AI as an example, right? Neural AI. Yeah. So let's say you put $30 over there, and then you got $30 worth of Ethereum. So you buy the Ethereum on KuCoin or MEXC, and then you, obviously if you're logged in, you can say withdraw. Then you can withdraw it to your address. That was the address that we copied. And you want to make sure that when you send the Ethereum, you send it via the Ethereum network. You would then copy and paste this address in on KuCoin where it says withdraw. I'm not logged in, so you can't see it. And then once you've withdrawn it, you then are able to see your Ethereum over here, which in your case might be $30 worth or whatever you have. And then you can start using that to transact. You can buy cryptocurrency on Uniswap with just Ethereum, but I tend to keep it separate. I tend to just have my Ethereum for my gas fee, and then I have the Tether for when I want to buy and sell cryptocurrency. I'm just used to that. So if you do want to do that as well, you can also grab, for example, $100 worth of Tether or $20, whatever you can afford worth of Tether. You withdraw it from KuCoin, the same steps again. You'll come over here on your MetaMask. You'd have your wallet address right here. You would copy it. On KuCoin, you would say withdraw. And it says, where do you want to withdraw to? The Ethereum network. You want to withdraw some Tether. And you paste in your address that you just copied. You fill all the info, send it over. Once you've got it on your MetaMask, now you can connect to the Uniswap with your MetaMask, right? Let me do this. I don't know. Let's have a quick look. Oh, it says I'm already connected. This wallet, there's a wallet here as an example that shows it's connected. So yeah, once you're over here, like I said to you before, you can come back onto CoinGecko. You look for the coin that you're interested in. You've done all your research already. You've checked the YouTube. You've looked at the website. You're happy with what you're seeing. You're looking at this contract part right here, which says it's on the Ethereum network, and you've also clicked on Markets tab. It said you buy it on Uniswap. What you can do if you're here and you just want to grab it up right away without having to copy and paste the contract address, you can just click this part here. This is like a link that takes you direct to it. It just opens it up instantly on Uniswap for you. So look, you click on this link here, you click it, and it should just automatically load up Neural AI for you. Say I understand, and you just close this tab here, a little intro tab, and there you go. You can now start buying Neural. Now, in order to buy the coin, you need to make sure the coin is underneath. Because if it's on top, look at this part here. It says sell. This means you're wanting to sell the token, but you want to buy it. So you switch it. So you make sure the coin that you want to buy is underneath in the buy section. If you're using Ethereum, fine. If you're going to use Tether, great. Let's just go to USDT because that's the ticker symbol for Tether, USDT. And then you can select how much you want to buy. So let's say, for example, I haven't got any Tether in there right now. Let's say I wanted to buy $100 worth. $100 worth would give me 21.71 coins of Neural AI, about 21 coins, almost 22 coins. Let's say I wanted to round it up. That was $105. Okay. Well, $105 is about 22.8. I was trying to get it exact. It didn't work. Let's say you wanted to buy that amount. If once you've connected your wallet address, if you've got the available funds, mine says 0, which is why this is not highlighting, it should turn either pink or blue. I think it's pink. And then you can click buy. And then it would, go through the process of you telling you to confirm payment and everything else. And then that's it. You now own Neural AI. So what you do is you just sit and wait because you think, when do I sell it? When should I sell it? Well, what I tend to do is I tend to look at the market cap again of where it is, because you're probably thinking, well, when do you sell it? So right now it's a 43 million market cap. I expect this to go into the multiple billions. That's my personal opinion, right? If this was just to reach 1 billion, because set yourself a goal where you personally think it can go. No one knows for sure, but we can make predictions on what we think it can do based on the hype and the narrative and who's talking about it. Because you'll have other influencers that are big influencers that will talk about it. If they got millions of subscribers, them viewers are going to watch and get excited for it as well. You can kind of get a picture of where things could go if where the hype lies. And because it's an AI coin, I think that it could really ride this whole AI boom that we've seen in 2024. If it was to reach $1 billion in the future, and you're buying it right now at a 43 million market cap, let's just do this, 43,874,000, I want to be really precise, $650. What multiple X gain is that? We're talking a 22X return on your money. So $100 turns to $2,200. That's a 22x. If you have $1,000, it turns to $22,000. If you're a high roller, you've got big money to play with, $10,000 turns to $220,000 a house, right? You can make big money. And that's just with this going to a $1 billion market cap in the future. Can it go there? Time will tell. But this is what we do. We analyze and we look at lower market cap cryptocurrencies, ones that tend to be decent, and then we decide, is it worth the investment? If it is, again, you have to put what you can afford to lose. If you can only afford $20 or something, or $100, that's fine. There's no competition with anyone. You're your own investor. And then you can just decide, do you want to slowly build your bags? Maybe you would like to have a goal of having maybe 200 tokens in total, having 200 Neural AI coins, which right now is going to cost almost $1,000. It says $921. So maybe over the next few months, Neural AI will fluctuate. The price will go up and down. Yeah. So you can take the opportunities to buy this and reach that goal of 200 coins if you wanted to do that. So that's this simple guide in this video, showing you, you've got the exchanges, showing you decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, showing you a coin like Neural AI, which is an AI narrative play, which how to buy it. Again, you've got the contract address there. And let's say, for example, you just wanted to do it via the contract address. Again, you can copy the contract address. You can come over to Uniswap and then you can paste it in. Let's say this wasn't Neural. Let's say it was something else like Blender. Let's just say that, for example. You can actually click on this, paste in the contract address, and then it shows Neural. And there you go. That shows up Neural. Okay. So hopefully this was helpful for you. If it was, drop that like, give me a subscribe. I'm going to be bringing more tutorials, helping you understand a bit more. I might dive into these other tokenomics a bit more to help you understand scarcity. I think that's also important. The supply plays an important role. Help you understand that. And if you was confused about MetaMask, hopefully you weren't. If you're confused about MetaMask and Uniswap and how to set up and swap things, you can watch other YouTube channels that dive deeper into that. I'm just giving you a simple guide, yeah? Guys, if it was helpful, drop that like, give me a subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Never be defeated.